Look, I'm gonna show y'all how to make this loaded spinach artichoke dip bread. First, you start off with room temperature cream cheese, then add the best mayo in the game. I don't give a fuck, go argue with your mama. Then you throw some sour cream in that thing. You hit it with this W sauce. We all don't know how to say that shit. Throw in some Parmesan cheese. Then you rough chop you some artichoke hearts. You'll hit it with some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some Tonys, but don't use too much of that shit. It's salty. Black pepper and paprika. Next, fry you up some bacon. That's where the rest of your salt will come from. Peeled and deveined shrimp. Hit it with some no salt organic seasoning or Mrs. Dash and some paprika. Mix it combined. Then you go fry it in that bacon fat. Yeah, you see it. I need mine fried hard. Can't have that other shit. And look, next, crush you some garlic, fresh garlic, and dice it down. None of that jarred shit. It tastes way better. Look, throw you a little bit of butter in that bacon grease. Throw your garlic in there. Then you go throw your spinach in there. And you go cook it until it wilt. It's gonna look like this. Just don't burn the garlic. Then you add the mixture into the mixture. You feel me? This bread right here hella good. You go preheat the oven to 425 and you go bake it for 15 minutes. When it come out, it's gonna look like this. It's already done. It's nice soft in the middle, kind of crispy on the outside. And you take that mixture, spread him across. After you get that spreaded, line up your shrimp. Then you go hit it with some mozzarella cheese. Put it back in the oven until the cheese melt. That bacon from earlier, chop him down, throw it on top. Then you go hit it with some of this black truffle olive oil. This shit hella good. Then hit it with some Italian seasoning. You know what I mean? It's gonna look like this. And last but not least, you go hit it with some shaved Parmesan. Cut and serve. That's about it. Look at this shit. Look, I guarantee you get what you want from him or her if you make this shit.